back to those components. What I believe can make anyone successful at spey fishing is thinking about it just like that, spey fishing. A lot of spey talk is spey casting, and spey rods and lines and all that. Spey casting is important, of course. I mean, obviously getting the fly out there is important, but for me, you know, I get a lot of clients that have never, there's a fish. I get a lot of clients that have never touched a spey rod in their lives, and you know, I have to get them competent with casting, turning over flies, and catching fish in a very short period of time. So the method I kind of focus on is really thinking about it as just that, as fishing. Thinking about this as a fishing endeavor. And as long as you can successfully turn this fly over, no matter how ugly your cast is, as long as you can turn that fly over, get that thing to be, you know, sinking and swimming and getting in front of fish quickly, you're a long ways towards success, towards catching fish. But I like to focus on it beyond that. So, you know, if you think about this as just strictly fishing, you're just casting like you normally would, get that thing turned over. But if you focus on where you think the fish might be, of course that's predicated on past successes and things like that, but also reading the river. And of course I had a bite there, so I know about where they're going to be, or where some of them are. So getting an idea and understanding of where those fish are, that'd be the first component. The second component for me is, you know, once you're confident you know where those fish are, or have an idea of where some fish are, you know, the next thing for me is, can you get your fly to that fish? So if I think a fish is way out there, I need to be able to get that fly down in a hurry right in front of that fish's face. If I feel like there's fish right in tight at my feet, I got to make sure I'm trying to catch fish on the outside, but also, am I able to swing a fly all the way into this in tight with the, you know, with the ability to catch a fish? Is it going to, you know, grind out to a halt? Is it going to get stuck on a rock here and be done, or will it swing all the way to the inside? So that's another important thing to consider, you know, as part of the fishing element. And then the third is, you know, putting those first two together, you know, knowing where the fish are, right? Knowing where those fish are, can I get that fly in front of their face, and then tie it together with confidence. So knowing that I'm currently able to swing in front of those fish, and knowing that I'm believing that I'm going to catch a fish because I've got everything that I can control taken care of. I've got the right line set up, the right, you know, the right range of sink tip, the right range of fly, and the right casting angle, and all that. And I have a feeling where the fish are, and I'm confidently swinging in front of those fish. I think those are probably the three most important things in spey fishing, to be honest with you.